to feel pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We'll give you a breather and then work on the other side. And you need
Oh,
to
feel
know-
free to go right back into it, man.
There you
Woo!
go. Really good.
That felt good as fuck.
Man,
That felt good as fuck.
that is really, really good. Amazing adjustment. You're gonna feel so good, bro.